everybody, today I'm going to be giving you guys the review of the Lematec. This is the green tool of the year. This thing is extremely lightweight. It is very versatile when it comes to using all different kinds of media blasting material. So whether you're using walnut shells, to the media sand, to using any kind of the soda material, this thing hands down is pretty damn awesome. Excuse my French, but you get an 18-ounce hopper feeder. You have a removable nozzle tip that has a ceramic spout to it. So this guy right here. So this is replaceable and it comes with an extra one. The biggest thing that I want to mention about it is that you're definitely going to want to have a good sizable air compressor because this uses between 10 and 11 cubic feet per minute for regular operation at 90 psi. So again, this thing is pretty darn awesome when it comes to the weight of it because I do have the typical standard one that has the cast iron handle. So this whole material right here, this thing is pretty darn heavy if you're doing a side-by-side comparison. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in and get you guys set up to see what this thing performs like. Alright guys, now that we got you set up here, first thing, this kit does come with some safety glasses, which you're going to want to wear for your eye protection. My recommendation, have yourself a pair of gloves when handling material blasting. Last but not least, a good quality respirator. I'm going to go ahead and get the gear on. What everybody wants to know is how do these perform? I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the other one real quick. So right now the valve is turned off to open it, like that. And I do have media in there. Oh, this guy seems to be plugging up. Let's go ahead and hook up the new guy. Now, the nice thing is this particular one has the knob. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So when you go left, it's going to open the valve up. As you guys are noticing, this particular one functions a heck of a lot better than the other guys. Last thing to share with you guys is something I highly recommend and encourage. They've got a little QR code that you can scan with your phone. You can pull out that nifty camera and be able to watch their training video on how to use this thing. Hands down, highly encourage and recommend. This doesn't jam up or plug anywhere near as much as the other one that I showed you guys. Thank you all for watching. Give this thing a try.